Damn, Transformers.
Never seen
Bro,
that
this
before.
is... Oh my god. Oh, get a new design. No, wait, it's the same. I think it's the same. Benson is worried about the freaking part getting destroyed. Let's kick some ass, bro. 2-on-1. Oh! Bro, I wonder if it was built for a reason, like in the times. Bro, this is so cool, bro. Oh my god. Of course, a giant head. It's gonna be it's gonna be a weapon. Oh, damn. Okay. Looking like white.